Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. And this time, this is check-in day at Broadland Sands. We're going to show you the process of checking in, show you around our caravan and see what's around this park. And join us for the fun. Yeah. So reception's just at the front. There's plenty of caravans you can buy as well. Right, so you've just checked in. One thing that I didn't realise and I didn't have is you need your booking reference, which is on an email, which is fine, apart from there's no internet, so you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. But
you struggle with your
yeah, I struggle with the internet. I was like, no, I've got no internet, and because the email on my phone, it wasn't there because it gets wiped after so many days, I then had to log into my actual account, and yeah, it's just a right faff when you've got a queue behind you. But
well, there was no queue behind you, so it's fine.
But yeah, right, Hayley's gonna do the grand thing. No smoking or vaping in this caravan. Good job we don't do either. Give it a yank, Hayley. There we go. We'll get all our stuff in a minute out, but we'll give you a quick show around our caravan. Ooh, this is a gold one. Ooh, this is very nice.
Swanky.
This is very swanky. Normally we're just in the cheap.
We normally just go basic.
Yeah, basic, but this is like the next level up.
Yes.
We've got a TV. We've got drawers with nothing inside them. Another one. Yeah, nothing in there. Always very clean. Leather sofa. Obviously you've got your fridge. Oh my word, that is a big fridge.
Oh, that's what you want.
Oh, there's enough to put loads of beer in there. Freezer as well. Got a nice cube tray by the looks of it.
Fridge isn't very clean though. Having said that, don't matter.
Yeah, it's okay. Food's in.
Quick work. Look,
Yeah.
it's like a microwave.
Microwaves and basic. The outside's bigger. More storage. To show you inside the cupboards, we got glasses, mugs. Plenty of plates, more plates than people. Got an oven, very nice big oven. All your other utensils. Cutlery, scissors. Good job I brought a bottle opener. And we come to the toilet. No, we come to the second bedroom. Just a couple of single beds. We'll probably use it for storage. What's this cupboard in here? It's just more storage, yeah, more storage. A couple of coat hangers. Shut that up. We come in here. Another bedroom. My word, we've got more bedrooms. Look at that. So this one must be the toilet. Oh yeah. Toilet. Oh, nice big shower. And then our bedroom, which is your typical caravan bedroom, quite small, but not too bad. Got a couple of doors with some more storage. That is really big walk-in wardrobe. It's huge. And another door to... Oh my God, we've actually got an ensuite. What the hell? Wow, that is swanky. That is very, very swanky. But there you go. There's our tour of the caravan. I'll give you the name of the caravan in a little while once I remember them. Wow. I better give Hayley a hand. We have an ensuite toilet, Hayley.
Very nice. We'll show you what's in our welcome pack in a minute as well.
Yes, yeah. Oh, there's a couple of hooks
We'll
as
get
well.
everything in, lock the car, and then we'll show you.
Yes. Yeah, so come along for a few days in this caravan. 4 days to be.
Obviously we're not going to film what we get up to in the caravan, but...
Obviously. But we're going to do a walk around of this place after a little while and have a beer. Right, so that was the tour of the caravan.
Yes.
And I will point out that this whole caravan cost us £99, but we spent £20 on the early check-in for 2 o'clock.
Yes.
So bear that in mind.
The week here was £99, including the passes for like the activities. So we got a bargain.
Yes. But we just want to show you what's inside our pack, our welcome pack.
You also, on booking, it said that we also get a £50 voucher.
Voucher.
So we'll see if that's in here because we're not picking it yet. So first out, actually, I'll just tip it all out.
Tip it all out and we'll see what we got.
So obviously we've got our passes. We need to have these on us at all time to get into. We've got to fill them out as well. So you need to have these on you at all time to get into the swimming, to book the swimming, to get into any of the entertainments, basically anything.
We did get told on reception that for swimming, you can try and book it on the day, but it's more or less a day in advance.
Basically.
So
You've got save when you book again, so you can get 15% off your next visit.
You just book a reception. Anything on the back? No.
Next up, these must be the vouchers.
Oh, so that's not £50 off. That's
it's £50 worth of vouchers, so it's not. It's a bit misleading.
Today we get a free stick of rock.
Well, I mean, everybody wants that, but new full Monty buy one get one free, so we can get breakfast tomorrow for the two of us. A bottle of red wine, buy one get one free. Kids meal, well, we don't have any kids with us, so that's irrelevant. Buy one get one free on Polar Crush. I assume that's like their slushy, maybe.
Yeah.
You'll use that. Buy one get one free on a bottle of Bud.
Yeah.
And buy one get one free on Onion Rings Towers. Friday, a tea or coffee and toast and butter. So it's basically breakfast, but you're not really necessarily going to be here for then. We'll use some of them, but not most of them. So it's a bit misleading with what they say.
Yeah, it's not. I thought they were just going to give us a voucher and we could spend the £50 on whatever we want, whether that's alcohol, food.
That's what it said. Basically, it said £50 voucher for food and drink.
Yeah.
So, but we will use some of it, not all of it.
Yeah.
But it also doesn't say where you. Oh, it says simply prevent the voucher when you place your food or drink order.
I'm sure everything will make more sense when we go and suss out the place.
Yes.
But yeah. Anyway, on to the next thing.
So then we've got the activity guide. So it's basically the same all day. And on the back is the entertainment guide. So Broadland Sands ticket, £500 off any caravan or lodge. It's not really. I assume that's to buy.
To buy, yeah.
I mean,
if you're interested,
I would. So then it gives you the price list for the activities. Not very well printed. Having said that, So you can do the go-karts, 2-seater for £10 or 4 seats, £12 for 30-minute session.
There you go.
So there's lots to do. I'm not sure we'll do any of it. About your stay, we're sure you will enjoy.
So a bit of health and safety stuff.
Yeah, basically it tells you all about the pool, the driving, car parks, etc, etc. There is something in here about the pool. Where's that gone? There should be something in here about the pool. Oh, there it is. So we've got the swimming pool opening times for this week. So today and Friday it's open 3 till 4. 3 till 4 and then 4:30 to 5:30. So maybe they're your hour session. You'll see you get an hour.
Okay, that's different.
Yeah. Oh, so the inflatable fun run is Saturdays and Wednesdays, but it's only on for half an hour.
That's not very good. I mean,
you must just get a session of an hour.
I get COVID times, but it's not COVID anymore. Why have we still?
We're not really going to be here anyway. We're going out and about and doing stuff. And then we've got.
Oh, we've got a massive map.
A giant map. Which you don't really need when you're given a map to get to
yes.
anyway. But anyway. So it says top 5 local paid attractions. That's good.
Useful telephone numbers.
We are going to be doing the sea life.
Top 5 beaches.
Yeah. Local towns.
Yeah.
Areas of interest. So it does give you some ideas of what to do if you haven't got any.
One thing missing, isn't there? No theme parks on there.
Yes, there is.
Where?
Yeah. Pleasurewood Hills.
Oh, there it is.
Alive.
Oh, yeah.
The Animal Adventure Park.
Okay, I lied. I do apologise.
And then obviously it explains everything else there. So you've got the Teddy Mountain, which is there, like the tie-dyes. You can make slime and stuff. They've got their app. It tells you how to get onto the Wi-Fi. Their shows. Oh, it looks like they've got a Cinderella show.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
All good stuff.
The daily funds, great nights out. So.
And we'll show you around a bit later, but for now, that's what you get given in your welcome pack. Yeah. And the only disappointing thing is the £50. So I won't knock that off the price. I was thinking, you get £50 back, which means it's £49.
I mean, in all fairness, I don't think it's overly bad to do it that way because it's encouraging you to do different things here. I think the buy one get one for the breakfast is really good.
Yes.
Considering it's full Monty. A free bottle of wine is good depending on how much it is. Obviously we won't be doing that because we have no kids with us. The Polar Crush, if it's a slushie, I mean, I'll happily take 2 slushies. Fine. You'd do the bud.
I'd do the bud.
Onion rings, we both love onion rings. So, and then just on the last day, it's a bit like. So we'll pop these in our purse and wallet and
see what happens.
Yeah. But we are going out and about more than being here, so.
As it's coming up in our later vlogs.
Yes, and of course, we've got to check out the arcade.
Oh, of course. If you haven't already checking out, make sure you check out our Colchester Zoo vlog. It's up on the channel. Yes. It was a fun packed day.
Also, if you're coming here and you don't really know what to do, there is, in reception when you check in, there's a big leaflet stall so you can check out all the different things.
Yes.
That are out and about and around anyway.
So yeah, I'm just going to carry on unpacking and chill out for 5 probably.
Yeah.
So I just want to talk about the broadband. So we thought, obviously we are having issues. Yeah, we are having issues. I thought, I've got unlimited data. I'll just use my 5G or 4G or whatever, it'd be fine. Because actually here on site you can pay for their Wi-Fi, which is $14.99 for 4 days. Quite expensive, but we'll just use our own data. Turns out you can't get any data around here, no signal. So then you try buying their Wi-Fi because we have no choice. Obviously, being vloggers, we need to upload stuff. We thought we paid for it. It let us logged on. Well, we logged on for 5 minutes, then it kicked us off. Then we've tried looking at accounts, but of course you've got no internet. So it's a bit of a nightmare, to be fair. So
what we're going to do is we're going to have something to eat. Then we're going to wander up to the Clubhouse, try and get some swimming booked for tomorrow morning. We'll go on to the free Wi-Fi in there and then try and figure out what's going on.
Because it said we should get a code. So when we brought it, I didn't realise, but it said you should get a code or a voucher code. And then because it's up to...
log in with our booking reference, didn't it?
Yeah,
it said us both out, so...
Yeah, it's kicked us both out now because we were just using our booking reference, which seemed to work, but now it doesn't. So
yeah, so we'll get it figured out and we'll let you know what's going on.
Yes, it's a bit annoying, but hey ho, we'll get it sussed. Just beginning our 6-mile hike to the Clubhouse. It's definitely not Butlins.
No, definitely not.
It's a bit further
in more ways than one.
Well, yeah.
For a start, our accommodation is so much nicer.
Yes.
So much nicer.
Oh, we might be getting close actually.
Well, you can own a caravan for 28
grand or 29 grand. 29 grand. Bargain. Might get one tomorrow.
Oh. The thing is though, the one that we've got, I could happily live in one like that. The front room and the kitchen is so open, you feel like you've got lots of space. However, if I was to ever buy a caravan to live in, I'd have to change up one of the bedrooms to have no beds in it and turn it into like an office space. But I could live in one.
Definitely. Oh yeah, and by the way, there's more cars coming in because it's now gone 4 o'clock and it's now check-in time for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Go explore.
Definitely check-in time now, but just also wanted to point out bus stops at the top of the road. We might check out them another stage because buses are actually cheaper than car parking. But we've also got a tennis court and a football court, 5-a-side pitch, which is cool if you love your sports. Here we go. So we've got adventure golf. Let's take you over here quickly. There's a lovely kids play area there, swimming pool over there, clubhouse is somewhere. I don't think it's open actually, I think it's shut. But yeah, here's a look at your Dino Golf Adventure. Look at this. Dinosaur. More kid stuff there. It's really cool. Here's the first look. Going in, oh, nice thing for the dogs, water for dogs. Going into the clubhouse. Like I said, the first time we came in here, or the last time we was here in 2016, Hayley. 2016, oh dear. There's a few 2p machines.
Ooh.
We've got tokens as well, these are your prizes. You can win chicken run. There you go.
They've got England prizes.
England prizes. Oh yeah,
They've got
flags.
fidget toys.
Oh God. Hayley's well away, we've got more stuff around there. Fruit machines, you name it, they've got it. Hayley's in her element.
While it's quiet, I'm going to have 10 minutes.
Gonna have 10 minutes.
I'm going to get some change.
I'm gonna have a look in the clubhouse very, very briefly. Let's quick look at the clubhouse. Decked out all the flags. Hayley's in holiday mode again.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to win the goods.
I mean, there's not really any goods in here, to be fair. They're all a bit.
Yeah. You did win tokens to win
Other stuff.
not a very good selection of prizes. I'm not gonna lie. They're about as bad as I've seen.
Yeah. To be fair, I'm only having a £5 on 2Ps. And then.
Save your tokens. And here's a clubhouse. There's also a little shop. Oh, it reminds me of Hello Hello. Oh, not Hello Hello. Open all hours. That's what it reminds me of, straight away. We just had a drink in the clubhouse. Hayley's had a go on the machines, which is good.
Yeah, the machines here aren't that great.
No, they're not. But, one good thing. So we needed a code for the Wi-Fi that we paid for, and we couldn't get it, and we didn't take note because you're supposed to take note of it. But we just went into reception. A very kind lady in there who actually checked us in as well. She rang someone up and they gave us the code, so we now have the code.
That's right. And of course, like I said to you earlier, there's leaflets in the reception. Just had another little look, and they've got one of these, right? And a little quick flick through, and in it there's loads of discount vouchers for different things in and around Yarmouth. So if you ever find one of these and you're out in the area, get it for the discounts.
There you go.
So we've picked up two.
As you do. Why not?
Each.
Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, they were really helpful, and I can't argue with that. It's a bit disappointing there, but I think that was our fault as well as
it was our
their
fault.
fault.
Yeah, to be fair.
Yep.
Because we didn't save it. We didn't read the instructions
We
properly.
did.
And
No.
yeah. So now we've got to find our caravan again.
Yeah, that's a bit of a mission.
Yeah.
But look, the old maintenance team. England flags. That's cool. Warning.
We were going to go and do bingo tonight, but we're both a bit pooped and we're just going to have a night in.
Yeah, yeah.
So, that being said, we may as well.
We'll end it there, I think, yeah, because there's not really anything else to show you. But coming up on the vlog, we've got Pleasurewood Hills, we've got the Pleasure Beach in Great Yarmouth, we've got a full day in
We've
Yarmouth.
got Sea Life Centre.
Yeah.
We might do a couple of other things.
Yeah.
We want to check out the pier.
Yep.
So, if you want to come along on our little adventure, stick around.
Yes, we've got plenty of content coming up this week. With that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.